200 wild boars, destroying everything. Watch the trap no one expected.
All right, hold it right there. We need the ramp secured before the next scoop.
Copy that. Securing the east side now.
Swinging wide.
Dispatch, we have a confirmed catch at the south end. 3 large boars secured. Approaching with caution.
210, 211, 212, 13, 14, 15.
All right, team, remember the protocol for aggressive swine? Keep those panels secure.
The main concentration is here by the creek bed. We push them towards the chute.
Oh my goodness, look at the size of this catch. Woo!
200 at least. This is amazing.
Okay, team, let's start on the north side.
Copy that, I'll prep the nets.
Watch the gate, they are restless.
Ramps are down. Keep that board tight. We're moving the big one first.
Copy that, watch your spacing.
Securing the gate now.
Watch the tuss, he's aggressive. Get the pole on him now. Move the gate, quickly. Keep spreading it over there.
They're already tearing up the last section.
I got this side, push him in.
Hurry, get through.
Close it now.
Go quickly. Careful. Don't let her charge.
Okay, pull it tighter on your end.
I'm trying, the heat is intense up here.
Almost got the last tie down secured.
Make sure that weld holds, they are getting aggressive over there.
Pouring the last bag now. This concrete should stop them.
Reroute the large board to chute 5.
Acknowledged. Gate swinging now. Watch your spacing back there.
Get him up the ramp. Watch the back, he's turning. Got him, move, move.
Steady now, easy boy.
Reading 215. Confirmed.
Clear the gate, next one up.
Ventilation check passed. Bedding is satisfactory and the ramp is secure. We are cleared for loading.
A little more to the left, easy now. Clear the gate, they sound restless back there.
Get back, move up, move up. Watch the gate on the left, prod him again.
Close the hydraulics now.
Pressure engaged. Moving to the stunning area.
the marbling on row 7, lot C.
Noted. The temperature seems stable at 3 degrees.